Alright guys, unbox with me the Century Air Fryer CAF 83040B, which is the 8 liters Century Air Fryer. So in the Century Air Fryer there is 6 liter, 7 liter, 8 liters, higher liters and lower liter than this. So here, I just got the Century Air Fryer, which is the CAF 8340B, and here I'm going to unbox this. And then we see what we've got inside of the Century Air Fryer. So first, if you just got the Century Air Fryer for the first time, you're just like me, and what I expected to get is what you have here. There is Rapid Air Technology digital touchscreen, which is the soft touch on the air fryer. Then there is 9 customizable programs, so you can customize the air fryer to work based on your preference, and also perfect temperature control. You can easily control the temperature of the air fryer. You can set to manual and you can also automate it. Then low fat cooking as well as visible window, so you can easily see what you are frying on your Century air fryer. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, just need to do this. First on the Century air fryer is the manual. So you're gonna have the manual, and it's advisable you go through the manual to understand perfectly how the Century air fryer works. So make sure you go through the manual. Then here you're gonna have this, the base. And now the air fryer itself. So now I'll go ahead, take the air fryer out of the box. So this is what we got for your air fryer. Then let's go ahead and unveil it. So this is the top. Then this is it. You can see it is a digital air fryer. So there is temperature control, and then this is the power. Then you can also need to remove this seal to be able to open the fryer itself. Then there you go. So this is your fryer. So this is all you've got in the fryer, and the fryer is transparent. So now at the back of the fryer there is air extract here, as well as the power cable to the fryer. So this is a new fryer, and in my next review I'm going to show you everything and how to use the Century digital touch air fryer. So if you want one of these and you want this to be reviewed, please don't forget to like and subscribe.